Start. The matter related to the minor children was brought before the High Court of the state. It was brought forward that some criminal gangs were manipulating the laws made for minor children. Some of them had formed organizations and institutions as a shelter home for such children. The bonded laborers in form of child was also made popular in the society. And besides this, the police officers, even the SP, was approached to recommend the cases related to such minors to be handed over to these organizations who were involved in human trafficking. The minor children, especially girl childs, were taking a vast visuality in the society. These organizations were having employees who were female members of the team. The court was misguided and the change in guardianship act was also recommended by such parties who were having vast and illegal interest in the cases related to the minor children. Some family members were also interested to sell out such minor children to other gangs in exchange of a interesting amount of cash. Thanks and subscribe the channel.